Imagine standing at the edge of the world, looking out over an immense chasm so vast it seems to swallow the sky. This is the Grand Canyon. It's not just big, it's a geological epic, a storybook of Earth's history written in layers of stone. People travel from every corner of the globe to witness this spectacle, to feel a profound sense of humility and wonder in the face of its sheer scale. The air here feels different, thinner and charged with an ancient energy. It is a place that quiets the soul and awakens a sense of adventure, a true masterpiece of the American West. Today, on this clear September day, the canyon is putting on its best show for us. The canyon is a silent teacher, offering lessons in patience and perspective. Carved meticulously over millions of years by the persistent Colorado River, its existence is a testament to the power of slow, steady change. The sheer cliffs and plunging gorges stretch for 277 miles, creating a landscape that is both ruggedly harsh and breathtakingly beautiful. Standing here, you feel connected to something far greater than yourself, a part of a timeline that stretches back nearly 2 billion years. It's a feeling that stays with you long after you've left its edge, a memory etched not just in your mind but in your spirit. It's a place to simply be, to breathe, and to absorb. Let's embrace that invitation and start our countdown. Our countdown starts at number 7, Desert View. Located at the easternmost entrance to the park, this viewpoint offers a dramatic first impression. As you stand at the rim, your gaze is pulled eastward across the painted desert, where the land flattens into a colorful tapestry. The historic Desert View Watchtower, built in 1932, stands guard here, offering higher perspectives from its windows. You can see a long, straight stretch of canyon before it begins its serpentine twists to the west. Far below, a sliver of the Colorado River catches the sunlight, a liquid thread weaving through the canyon floor. Moving west along the scenic Desert View Drive, we arrive at number 6, Mather Point. Often the first viewpoint for many visitors, conveniently near the main visitor center. It offers one of the most comprehensive, jaw-dropping panoramas. The overlook is expansive, viewing platforms jutting out over the abyss, revealing a vast amphitheater of rock formations. Our countdown continues with number 5, Yavapai Point. Yavapai Geology Museum sits at the viewpoint. Big picture windows frame the canyon. Interpretive displays explain the geology. One of the clearest views down into the inner gorge. Look toward Phantom Ranch. Look at the bright Angel Trail switchbacks. Morning light makes the cliffs and side canyons glow, rock layers warm with color. Far below, the Colorado River looks like a tiny winding stream. Next, number 4, Hopi Point. Hopi is accessed by the Park Shuttle on Hermit Road. Hopi is legendary for sunsets. Visitors gather in quiet anticipation. The point juts far into the canyon with nearly 270-degree views. The light paints the canyon gold. Fiery orange, soft pink, deep purple. Shadows stretch and redefine the landscape. The Colorado River catches the final rays, glowing like a molten thread. As we venture further west along Hermit Road, we reach our number 3 viewpoint, Pima Point. What makes Pima Point exceptional is its auditory experience. On a quiet day, the acoustics of the canyon are so perfect that you can actually hear the roar of the Colorado River's rapids far below. Granite Rapids. This is a rare treat since from most rim viewpoints, the river is a silent spectacle. The view is a sweeping panorama looking west, offering a less crowded, contemplative experience. Long, clear sightlines show the river snaking for miles through rugged terrain. Our countdown hits number 2, Grandview Point. The name says it all. More rugged, untamed, grand. Perched on a high promontory, it gives a commanding view of a heavily eroded canyon section. A maze of buttes and mesas stretches out below. Trails from the point are steeper and more challenging. Hints of its past remain. An old mining access route. The place feels like raw, ancient power. Less polished, more natural. And now for our number 1 viewpoint, Ua Point. Located about a mile down the steep South Kaibab Trail, it's not a roadside lookout but a destination for hikers. The name perfectly captures the feeling as you round a switchback and the canyon suddenly opens up before you in a breathtaking panorama. You are no longer just looking at the canyon, you are in it. The air smells of trail dust and warm rock, and the perspective from below the rim is intimate and powerful. This view is a reward for your effort, a moment of pure, unfiltered joy. At the very bottom, far beyond where the trail leads for a day hike, the Colorado River keeps flowing, a constant presence. As we stand here soaking in the beauty, it's the perfect time for a gentle reminder about safety and respect. The Grand Canyon is as dangerous as it is beautiful. Always stay on marked trails and behind safety railings. The edges are crumbly and unstable. When hiking, even for a short distance, carry plenty of water, more than you think you'll need, and protect yourself from the intense sun. Let someone know your plans. This magnificent landscape demands our respect, not just for our own safety, but for the preservation of its fragile environment. Please, practice leave no trace. Take only photographs and leave only footprints. The canyon is a living sanctuary. So come, stand at the edge, breathe deep the clean desert air, and let the great chasm fill you with wonder.